Spread across 6.25 acres of land, DPS Bulandshahr, established by DPS Society in the year 1997, is affiliated to the CBSE and follows the NCERT curriculum. Our Center of Learning and Education is a powerhouse of proficient teaching faculty and state-of-the-art infrastructure, making learning an exhilarating experience for our learners. Our motto, "Service before self," makes us stand unique among all hubs of learning. At DPS Bulandshahr, we believe that quality is never a matter of chance or fortune. It is the result of meticulous planning, teamwork, and commitment to excellence. The vision and mission of providing lifelong education through experiential learning has been realized due to such vision and philosophy. With unwavering enthusiasm, we undertake untiring attempts to discover and unfold great potential, strength, and abilities stored within the minds and personalities of each individual child.
DPS Bulandshahr learn through experimentations, deliberation, discussions, and teamwork. The amiable ambience created by our teachers help us to learn the things with great fun.
We love to come to school. Our teachers are like our parents.
We learn and have fun in the playground as well. We also learn to draw, to paint, to share our lunch, and to keep our surroundings clean. Our teachers not only teach us good lessons, but also tell us how to become a good human being.
Service before self. This is what makes us stand unique among all the hubs of learning. We at DPS Bulandshahr strive to achieve a beautiful blend of experiential learning and holistic growth of our children.
The synthetic lawn tennis court and volleyball court, state-of-the-art basketball court, and sprawling senior and junior playgrounds are engineered with high-quality material, allowing players to deliver outstanding performances.
We at DPS Bulandshahr observe and find the innate strength and talent of our children. We make them lifelong learners, performing exceedingly well in all spheres of life. Be it field medalist, Nobel laureate, scientist, writer, academician, or even politician, that each child decides as the field of his her career after completing class 12 from DPS Bulandshahr.
So here I am. This is my school, DPS, where we learn, explore, experiment, and practice. Our school organizes many educational groups, the chance to learn from our real-life experiences.
I take great pride in being a DPSite. The school has gifted me the best education through the best teachers, which will be carved with indelible ink in the pages of my school life.
The awakened interest and frantic search for quality education culminates at DPS Bulandshahr. This is primarily because we have crystallized our vision with our motto firmly anchored to our values and traditions. Every effort is valued, each talent is adequately harnessed, and every attempt is empowered with excellence and accolades.
We nurture moral values among all the students and also give them enough exposure so that they become a responsible citizen of this global village.
We impart holistic education to ensure that our children grow up as individuals who are morally upright, emotionally balanced, culturally integrated, socially aware, and spiritually oriented.
We extend a hearty welcome to our Center of Learning and Education. Please log on to www.dpsbulandshahr.org for all updates and queries.